Hi students, Mr. John here with our Chapter 13 review. It's Thursday, and that means we have a supplemental program today. This Thursday, it happens to be January 18th, so it is a current event Thursday. And then next Thursday will be a Teen Biz article. So I like it when study days fall on a Thursday, because now you can study, but the only thing you have to do in my class today is the current event. So resources we have at our disposal. We've got the summary here, which for some reason never wants to show up. You always got to click it out, but it's there. Sort of a summary of the whole chapter in outline form. We're going over the big stuff, the important stuff. My favorite way to study, however, is to take a quick look at the study guide. If you can answer all these questions, you're probably in a good state to ace the test. Not that those will all be on there or in that form. You know that my tests for you are mostly matching and multiple choice. Now, we covered a lot of topics in this chapter, but the main idea is the USA gained most of what would become the continental United States. By one means or another, we've got Texas, California, Oregon, New Mexico, lots of land. Oh, Utah too. Don't forget Utah and Salt Lake and the Mormons. As always, I suggest you just reread the chapter real quick. Take a look at that study guide, and all those things can help you. And of course, you can send me any questions you have. I found this nice video from our friends at Crash Course in History that covers a lot of what we went over. So a good thing, a tool for you to review might be watching this video. They're usually about 12-15 minutes long. Yep, and then you might learn a little something extra on there too. That's it. The test on the very next page. Oh, that's your current event. Next page is the test. Alright, it's a 50-point test. This one is, I believe there's 15 points of matching, and the rest is multiple choice. You'll see questions that are familiar, you've done before, and then some new ones as well. And that's how it's going to look. So 50 points. That's a big test. Sort of average, but it's a lot of points. You wanna get those. You wanna make sure you do the tests. All right, we'll be bumping on to Chapter 14 in a few days. Look forward to moving on through history with you. We're coming up pretty close to the end of the marking period. That is the 24th. So today is, if you're watching the video on study day, it's the 18th. Thursday the 18th. The marking period ends next Wednesday on the 24th, and we're halfway through the school year. There you go. It's all downhill from here, kiddos. All right. Like I said, if you need me, shoot me a message, maybe post in that forum, and you can help each other out. All right. Have a great day. Good luck tomorrow.